Hi, does this funnel work? Does this little $10 self-funding funnel actually pay you? Will it grow your list and grow your sales and grow your income? Hi, I'm Carol Rivet and welcome to this video. Welcome to my channel. Now, I just set this up a couple weeks ago. Actually, it was like probably a month ago because I had just gotten back. No, it was over a couple weeks ago. I had just gotten back from vacation just a couple days ago. Okay, so I haven't even really had a chance to start advertising too much, and you may not get the same type of results. It depends what you put into this, okay? But as you can see, look at this. I'm getting signups. There's a couple signups from Jamal. There's one, Scott Thompson. So it's not just me, okay? And okay, you can see the send steed right here is the autoresponder. You can see all the leads that are coming in. That one's got 59. That one's got 14. That one's 4. I started it just before I went for vacation on the 27th of June. Okay, so this is just the start of this. Okay, so this is proof. And the $10 program that I'm using with this is GDI. GDI has been paying for over 25 years. I've been in this for years. Okay. So yes, this funnel works if you work it. You do need to come and to drive traffic to it. But the self-funding funnel, what that means is that you drive in. All the traffic in here is either free or very budget friendly. You can get a couple of my best traffic resources. The first one is a one-time $18 cost, and the second one is a $7 monthly cost, and that will give you traffic forever. Now, that's not the only traffic you need to do, okay? But it is some of the best traffic that I have found over the years, okay? So you send traffic, you get leads, and this funnel has over 310 days worth of emails. So the leads turn into sales, which earn you commissions, and then you take the commissions and buy more traffic. Okay, besides the traffic that you've just bought. Okay, right now you've only spent the money for the marketing system, which is only $27, and the $10 company of GDI. So this funnel works, and then eventually, once you take the commissions that you've earned and get more traffic, which gets you more leads, which builds your lists, gets you sales, which gets you commissions, and then you take some of those commissions and put it into the traffic to get more traffic, to get more leads, to build your list, to get sales. So it's a process, okay? Network marketing is a process. And network marketing is just that. You need to work. Now, if you're intimidated by the system, okay, and that you don't think that you could set this up, I just helped somebody set the whole thing up. All right, so I will help you, but of course, you've got to be with me in this, in at least a few of these things, okay? Because this is going to take me a few hours to set this up. Okay, it's only because there's multiple capture pages, there's a bridge page, there's a sales page. Then, like I said, you need to download the email series. I don't switch all the links over in the email series. That's up to you. I get you started with 25 and then you do the rest. Okay, but this is a great funnel. It works. If you haven't had success online, it's because you haven't been building your list. Okay, so click the link below and see what all the excitement about is. Get yourself a self-funding funnel and get started today. You can also send, if you're in another program that you really love, use this as a feeder. And then after a month after sending them information about the funnel, because the funnel will grow everybody's business, then you're sending them on the back end your main business, letting them know what you're excited about, okay? But you need to build your list, and I can help you with this funnel, okay? God bless and take care. Oh, yes, and that's the pop-up. Pop-ups always increase your conversion ratio, and that is included in this too. God bless and take care. And if this helped you, please like, subscribe, and share.